relationships. And it was written for people who were entrepreneurs and salespeople who knew they had a great product or service. They were very proud of it. They knew it brought wonderful value to people's lives, but they may not have been comfortable with the idea of going out into their local communities and cultivating the kinds of relationships that would result in people wanting to do business with them directly and through referral. So the book was a guide to that. But, it was a standard traditional how-to book. And I'd always read parables. They're generally works of fiction based on universal laws and principles and, teachings that helped. And I think one reason I enjoyed them was because stories connect on a deeper level. I think most of us intuitively feel that way. And whenever I'd read parables, I always felt a deeper connection with the author, with the characters, and with the message. And I thought, wouldn't it be great if we could take the basic premise of endless referrals that all things being equal, people will do business with and refer business to those people they know, like, and trust, and put that into parable form. So in coming up with the name, it was just a matter of, asking the question, what is the basic essence of that person who's able to very quickly and sustainably cultivate these great relationships? And it's that they're givers. They're people who are always thinking about the other person, looking to make their win all about the other person's win. They're givers. And so coming up with it, but they take action on it. So they're go givers, right? And that was the title, but it was really through asking my friend and colleague, John David Mann, who was the editor in chief of a magazine I used to write for, who at the time wasn't nearly as well known as he is now, but back then within his niche, he was known as a brilliant, brilliant writer. I asked him to be the lead writer and storyteller, and fortunately he agreed to do that. So we collaborated on it, and that was basically how The Go Giver got started.